top, beautiful turnaround. Gets blocked though by Anyanwu and barking Abbey.
Great backdoor. Huh. Looks like back to Tewo. Going inside. Nice spin move. Beautiful.
All right. Good defense by Abbey. Trying to break him down. Ooh, nice split. Oh!
Through the legs, pop out, Anyanwu, mid-range just from the cup.
Fine sails, here is Taiwan. Anyanwu at the foul line.
Trailer, to the basket. Nice move.
Division 2. Anyanwu with the hook and
their intensity defensively, especially in these championship games.
5 to shoot. Garapy is blocked.
Good active hands. Anyanwu going hard to the basket. That's a hard one. That's a hard foul.